Hey everyone, this is the jewelry subscription box by the Swag World. They have 6 varieties of jewelry subscription boxes with 6 different budgets, and I chose Style My Swag, which comprises of 4 jewelry pieces handpicked for your outfit. The first piece which was chosen was this pair of earrings, and then is this trendy choker which goes with all my outfits, western or traditional. Then this stylish single piece of ring which covers all your 4 fingers. Isn't it cool? Then the last one is this white pair of earrings. So what are you waiting for? Go check out their website and order your swag box now.